Day 202 of my body transformation. Dati, push ang favorite routine natin. Pero recently, mas favorite na natin ang pull day. Nagpalit tayo ng ibang exercises. Then yung iba naman, nag-increase tayo ng intensity. First exercise natin is weighted pull-ups. Na-max out na kasi natin ng lat pull-down. Kaya nag-switch na tayo. Same muscles lang ang tinatamaan nila, which is the lats. Second exercise is cable row. Personally, mas nare-retract natin ang scapula natin dito than the chest supported row. Kaya mas engage yung mid-back muscles natin. Third exercise is Romanian deadlift. This targets the lower back and a bit of the glutes. Then for arms, we still do bicep curls and hammer curls. Pero this time, nag-increase na tayo ng weight. Then we finish it off with 2 minutes of planking. Lahat ng exercises natin, 2 working sets lang and maximum of 8 reps. Priority kasi natin ang recovery ng muscles. Nakakatulong din sa recovery ang pagkain ng high carb and high protein after mag-workout. Ito kasi ang tutulong mag-repair ng muscles natin. Simple man ang program natin, pero pag ginawa natin to consistently, siguradong tuloy-tuloy lang ang progress natin. Yan na muna ngayon, bukas ulit.